These are all my birds this morning. Morning doves. And there's little ones there. I'm going to go up in the tree and see if you can see them in the tree up there. Right up there. That's where they are. I don't know if you can see them, but they're sitting. About 30 of them. See them going up? Okay, let's go back down. Look at doing this through my window. You see? Not very clear, I know. How's that feeder? Can you see it? There. I gotta go out, try to make it, clean them off, shovel underneath so they can eat. Bye.